How to change your username in Wise. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, we in this settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. So, if you slowly scroll down, you can find a section called Personal Details. Tap on it, and on the top, tap on Personal Information. So basically this is the place where you can edit and make different changes. Here on the top you can see a profile name. You can simply tap on it and edit it. Also make sure you have your legal name because later you might have different problems. At last, after entering your name, tap on save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.